Hello, thank you for joining me this morning, folk. Tenerife is in Las Americas, or should I say Playa Las Americas, just outside the Siesta. Let's take a walk on this hot, beautiful summer's day. Great food there, look you. €10. So a burger and a drink. What we got here? One or two more things to actually do. So as I say, that is the Siesta. I've stayed over there several times. It's a pretty good hotel. Are they good prices or not? I think they're okay, they are. Wow. Sun's very, very bright today. Where are we going to stop for a drink then, folk? What's that? That's Park San Diego 1, that one. Clearly they get rented out. And Park San Diego 2 at the side of it. Bit noisy today with the traffic. That looks a nice board, doesn't it? Look at that. And look, a pint of beer there, $1.90. Half a litre. Normally 0.4, aren't they? So that's good value. Tinge of turmeric. Yeah, so, bike hire, push bike hire. City bike all day long for only €10. I don't know about that. Mobility scooters are only €10 for the day. $1.50 for a pint of beer there. I don't think we'll find the €1 one. I think those days of the €1 are done. Now, some of these places around here serve vegan food. Just have to check them out. Daniel's Cocktails there, look here. And Los Angeles, which is a very, very good bar, evening entertainment bar. DDoS as well. And the other Tandoori Hut. So what we got here? Kev's breakfast. Actually, it's a good breakfast, that. Yeah, very good. So barbecue spice, Bad Bob's. Always popular, these bars, and the Billy has great entertainment. Bad Bob's does those homemade meat pies, absolutely fantastic. For €10 as well, look here. So that's good. Anyway, we'll keep walking down here. Down the steps. Carefully. And the House of Fun. There you go. Can you remember that place then, folk? Can you remember what it was? It's nightly entertainment. Yeah, we'll have to go in there and check it out. Very, very good place, or it was. I presume it's still going to be now. Now it's reopened. And there's your Princess Dies. Oops, somebody's left a bit of rubbish there. Here's have entertainment as well, and karaoke. Yeah, there you go, Princess Dies. So what do you think then, folk? Have you been into Princess Dies? Did you enjoy it? I've been there with Mrs. Tez and it's been a good evening. We'll go back again. Just up the steps here. There is access, by the way, for scooters and pushchairs across there. And that's for the Burger Cafe. And here's your Kev's Chill Out Bar. Just there. Quiz night as well. So, over we go, sorry. Down we go again. This is where all the surf schools are. So, whether you're a novice or, I could put it, an improver, sure these guys can help you out. Or you might be doing surfing professionally. I don't know. Anyway, keeping on going. So we'll just take a walk around this corner. Another nice tandoori, by the way. Then over there is your Aberdeen Steakhouse. Yeah, one or two surfers in the sea today. Building over there is Tenerife Sol. I think we'll have to stop for a drink. Okay then, viewers, I'm Tenerife Tez, and I'm going to see you in the next one.